Copilot Studio in manufacturing. Manufacturing industry is always in need of optimum production to meet high demands with a constant need for raw materials at minimal costs. Balancing operational costs and improving supply chain management efficiency while streamlining the entire process is what they are after. Copilot agents, when employed, can help this sector achieve what they want. Copilot Studio impacts major KPIs and key functional areas in ways that improve their efficiency and empower their processes. Key KPIs impacted by the use of Copilot Studio in this sector are product time to market, employee turnover, customer satisfaction, scrap rate, supply chain performance, and production downtime minimization. Copilot agents can help with equipment maintenance, thereby strengthening factory operations and optimizing asset management. Using copilots would help devise new product ideas. It will also improve research abilities in the manufacturing sector with judicious use of Copilot agents. In the field of quality control, using Copilot agents will help streamline the process from early detection of problems to improved communication between concerned teams. Do you want more control over the supply chain? From production planning to optimizing supplier quality, requests for proposals and contract lifecycle management, you have complete control over it with suitable Copilot agents. Workforce management involves improved factory safety metrics, assistance for field service advisors, and task simplification for plant workers, and you can do all that by deploying suitable Copilot agents. Are you seeking such power within your enterprise? Get in touch with us now to know more about how we have helped others and how we can help you.